Just a minute. So today we'll do the numericals on sound. So first I will tell the formula, okay, that how to solve. Fine. Sound numericals. This is page number how much? 154. Fine. So the first question, the second question. Acha, first I'll tell about how to calculate. Fine. See, this is called lambda. As we know that v is equal to f lambda. So v is the velocity, f is the frequency, and lambda is the wavelength. Fine. So what is the first question? Question number 1 we will do. What is the first question? Tell me. The first question is the wavelength of wave produced on the surface of water is 20 centimeter. If the wave velocity is 24 meter per second, calculate the number of wave produced is 1 second, and Roman number 2 we have to find the time in which one wave is produced. So the question says lambda is given, means wavelength is given. What is the wavelength? The wavelength is 20 centimeter. Alright. So centimeter to meter will convert. So centimeter to meter korte gele ki korte hobe? Divide by 100. Alright. And wavelength is given. The wave velocity is how much? 24 meter per second. So first we will write the given term. Okay. So the given term is lambda is equal to 20 centimeter. Lambda is equal to how much? 20 centimeter. Alright. So what we'll do? Centimeter to meter will convert. So what I'll write it? 20 by 100. So 0 0 cancel. That means 2 5s are 10, and it will be how much? 1 by 5. How much? 1 by 5 meter. Alright. Now wave velocity also given. So what is the wave velocity? Wave velocity. So wave velocity, it is always measured in what? Meter per second. So wave velocity is how much? Can you tell me? Wave velocity is 24 meter per second. Alright. Till now any doubt you have? So we have to find frequency. Fine. See the question. Calculate the number of wavelength produced in 1 second. So as we know that frequency is equal to number of wavelength produced in 1 second. Alright. Yes. Are you getting what I am telling you? Are you listening? Are you listening? Yeah, if please reply to 20 centimeter. So centimeter to meter we have converted. That means 1 by 5. Okay. Wavelength is equal to 20. Wave velocity is equal to how much? 24 meter per second. Okay, don't worry. If you will not write, no problem, because I am recording this all. I'll send the recording. Don't worry. Okay. So what we have to find? The number of waves produced in 1 second. So what is the meaning of number of wave produced in 1 second? Now, as we know that frequency is equal to number of waves produced in 1 second. Sure. I'm writing here, as we know that frequency is equal to, are you getting? Frequency is equal to number of waves produced in 1 second. Sure. Till now any doubt you have? মানে এখানে আমাদের কি করতে হবে? Frequency বার করতে হবে। তাহলে as we know that what is the formula dear? V is equal to f V is equal to f lambda. So frequency is equal to what? V by lambda. So we'll just put the value. So what is the V? V is how much? 24. Great. And what is the lambda? Lambda is 1 by 5. That means 24. Tell me. Lambda is 1 by 5 because lambda means wavelength. See, I have written a 20 centimeter. So centimeter we have converted to meter. That means what? 1 by 5. Alright. So we are just putting the value. So 24 divided. I am writing here divided 1 by 5. That means 24 into. Okay. So it হচ্ছে 5 20 120. Frequency is always measured in what? Hertz. So the final answer says, the final answer is, what is the final answer? 120 hertz. This is our final answer. Are you getting? Till now any type of doubt you can ask me. Okay, so what is the second part? The second part says the time required. What do you find? The time required. So time required. So time required means how much? Tell me. Yes, time required মানে কি হয় বলতো? আচ্ছা, I'll tell you a formula. The formula is T is equal to 1 by F. This you know to. In a book you have this one. Time is equal to 1 by frequency. Fine.
Second part.
Yeah, this is the second part I am doing. So T is equal to 1 by F. So what is F? F is what? 120. So I am writing a 1 by 120. Okay. So 120 means if you divide this one, so how much coming? If you divide, how much coming this one? Tell me. Yeah, great. So this is divide correct. How much? If you divide, the answer will come. Okay, I am using calculator. Just a minute. So 120. Yeah. Tell me. Tell me the divide here. Yeah, tell me the divide. How much coming? It is coming 0.0083. Completed. No, 1 by 120. I am just dividing 1 by 120. See, 1. Have you got it? This divide. Yeah. Tell me, answer is matching. Yeah, the next question says number 2 I am doing. Okay, number 2. And the question says calculate the minimum distance in air between the source of sound and the obstacle. To hear an echo, take the speed of sound in air is 350 meter per second. So in this question, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the minimum distance. Okay, please go through the question. Yeah. So in this question, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the minimum distance. All right. So D is equal to not given. D is equal to question mark. Fine. And velocity is given. The velocity is 350 meter per second. Till now any doubt you have? So D is not given, V is equal to given, and time told. The time is given. Okay, the time is 0.1 second. How much? The time is 0.1 second. Now, as we know that there is a relation V is equal to 2D by T, where V is, this is the formula. See, in the book it is given V is equal to 2D by T. V is the velocity and D is the distance and T is the time. Alright, are you getting what I am telling you? Sure? Great. So here what we have to find? Here we have to find D. Sorry, D we have to find. So please do এটা আমরা cross multiply করব. এটা হচ্ছে V into T is equal to 2D. So we can find here D. So D is equal to V into T by 2. Are you getting what I'm telling you? So now I'll just put the value. So what is the V? V is 350. So I'm writing here 350. And what is T? Time is how much? 0.1 given. So I'm writing here 0.1 by 2. So this point and sure. See this one? Can I move? Please write down 3. Yeah. So this point, for this point I'll remove. So it will be how much? 10. So it will be how much? 10. Yeah, 0 0 to no 0 0. Acha 0 0 cancel. Fine, great. So it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. That is how much? 17 point. So our answer is 17.5 meter. Done. Next question, please read. The next question say, what should be the minimum distance? I am correct? So what is the next question? The next question is, what should be the minimum distance? Please read the question, dear. The question says, what should be the minimum
distance air source of sound and the obstacle to given
reflector
17.5 is the one is the answer.
মানে please go through the question. Till now any doubt you can ask me. I am telling about number 3. Okay, please read the question.
You have to take a reverse photos.
Yeah, 3 I have taken though. You have the book of brother. Says the question is what? I'm writing the question first. The question says, what should be the minimum distance? Minimum distance. So first of all, we have to find D, right? Between the source. Suppose you are the source and the reflector. Between the source and the, tell me, reflector. Okay. Till now any type of doubt you please ask me. In water. So you have to find the minimum distance between the source and the reflector. Where? In water. Okay. And the speed of sound is how much? The speed. No, the speed of sound it is given here. The speed of sound in water is given. Speed in water. The speed of sound in water is given. That is equal to 1400 meter per second. Alright, this is given. Are you getting what I am telling you? So here T always we take how much? 0.1. This is fixed for this. Okay, if T is not given, so we will take how much? 0.1. So 0.1 second. Now what is the velocity dear? The velocity is equal to given how much? 1400 meter per second. Alright. So time given, velocity given. So as we know, there is a formula. What is the formula? T is equal to this formula you know. Relax again. V is equal to 2D by T. 2D by T. So এটা দিয়ে ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লাই করব আর এখানে আমরা কি বার করব, ডি বার করব। উই হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড হোয়াট,
আর v equals to 2.
so it will be vt is equal to 2d, so d is equal to, বল কি হবে, vt by 2. So just put the value. If you put the value, the answer will come. Yeah, put the value. So what is the v? Velocity is how much? 1400. So I'm writing here 1400. And what is the time? The time is 0.1 second by 2. So this point I'll omit. So it will be how much? 10. So 0 cancel. So it will be 2 sevens are 14. So the answer is how much? The answer is how much? 77. Huh? Hello?
Now change.
Key came screen. So the answer is how much? 70 meter. Answer is how much? 70 meter. You can also download Google Meet. Google Meet is very good app. See. Any doubt you have? What should be the minimum distance? Sure?
70.
Yeah, the answer is 70 meter. Again I'll tell you what should be the minimum distance. So here what we have to find, d we have to find. So as we know that t is equal to 0.1 second and v is equal to given, that is how much, 1400 meter per second. Alright, so we know na v is equal to 2d by t. This is the relation. How much? v is equal to 2d by t. Alright, so if you cross multiply, so it will be what? Vt, v into t is equal to 2d. Okay, so d is equal to vt by 2. Fine. So we are just putting the value and the answer will, the final answer is 70 meter. Till now any doubt you can ask me? Fine. Next number we'll do number 4. Number 4 is very important for your exam. Okay, number 4. The question says, a man standing 25 meter away, okay, from a wall. Fine. So one man is standing, he is standing away from the wall. Fine. Produces a sound. So he is producing a sound. Produces a sound. Are you getting? Till now any doubt you have? Acha. And received. And receives. Receive means receives. सुनते बच्चे थे ना? Receive the reflected sound. Reflected sound. Are you getting? Till now any doubt you have? Okay. See. So any doubt you have? You can tell me. Okay, fine. Okay. So received. Yeah. Received sound. Received the received. God, I'm writing a question wrong. Will be just a minute. Receive the reflected sound. Okay. Reflected sound. Okay. Reflected sound. Sure. Now here we have to find, calculate the time. So we have to calculate the time after which he receives, the reflected sound. Reflected sound. Okay. In air is, it is given 350 meter per second. Okay. So we have to find, will the man, what I write here, will the man, the second part, will the man be able to hear a distinct echo. Acha, what is the meaning of echo? When you go to a hilly region, when you shout, so two sound will come. That is called what? Echo. And what is the condition for an echo? The condition for an echo is 17 meter. All right. Are you getting? Hello. So what is the condition for an echo? The condition for an echo is what? 7. Yes. Yes. So the distance between the reflected and the source should be what? 17 meter. Alright. Means the distance is 17 meter. This is the minimum distance. So the question is asking, will the man be able to hear echo? Hear and echo. This is the question. Okay.
Minimum distance is 7 meters.
Exactly. Here I will draw a diagram. Again, question is clear though. One man is standing, the distance is given 25 meter from a wall. Okay. He produces a sound and receives the reflected sound. So we have to calculate the time after which he receives the reflected sound. And the speed is how much? 350 meter per second. So second part is asking, will the man be able to hear an echo? This is the question. Alright. Fine. So I am drawing a diagram. Diagram is like this way. I am drawing a diagram. Okay. See, this is the wall. Okay, this, are you getting? This is the wall. Fine. It is a wall. It acts a wall. Okay. Man is standing here. Fine. Okay. Okay, great. The man is standing here. And the distance is, what is the distance? The distance is 25 meter. The distance is how much? 25 meter. Sure. So, I'll write what I write here. D is equal to how much? 25 meter. Alright. So, D is equal to 25 meter given. And T is equal to question mark. T is equal to not given. And the speed of sound in air is given. Is equal to how much, you know? Speed of sound in air means V. So V is equal to how much given? That is 350 meter per second. Till now, any doubt you can ask me. Okay. And T is equal to question mark. Alright. So we know that V is equal to, please tell the relation if you know.
V equals to 2T by.
Great. V is equal to 2D by T. Fine. So V is the velocity, D is the distance, and T is the time. Fine. So we have to find what, you know. We have to find what? The question says, just a minute, calculate the time. Time bar korte hobe ekhane diye. So it's very easy concept here. So what we'll do? We'll just multiply, cross multiply it will be. So it will be V into T, Vt. V into T what? Vt is equal to 2D. Fine. So we can write here time. So time is equal to 2D by V. Fine. 2D by V. So what is D given? Tell me. Yes. The D is given how much? 25 meter. So 2 into 25. And what is V given? What is velocity given? The velocity is how much? 350 meter per second. Are you getting? Sure. Are you getting any doubt you till now? Tell me, any doubt you have? Great. So again I'll tell you, velocity is given, so I'm writing the velocity. So velocity is how much? The velocity is how much? That is 350. Alright. So 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 0. And 5 1s are 5. And this is how much? Okay, very good. So 5 1s are 5. Sorry, it will be 5 4s are 20, right? So 2 7s are 14. That means how much coming? 1/7 second. So this is our answer. Yeah, dear. Yeah, please. Please tell me. Ha. Yeah. So this is our answer. So if you divide, the answer will come in what? Decimal. Okay, are you getting? Sure. So the second part says that will the echo will be there. So the answer is, if you divide 1/7, let me use calculator. It have 0.143 seconds. Tell me what is the distance? Yeah, so the answer right, yes, there will be an echo, there will be an echo. Are you getting? As the original sound is 0.1 second. Means it is nearly to. Will you take the screenshot? Okay, I'm recording. Fine. The next question says, we'll do small question. We'll do, okay. One small question will. Okay, fine. Okay. I'm doing number 6. Okay, number. After that, 2 more sums will do. Then over. Because only few only few numerals is there. Yeah, the question is, a man yeah. Okay, you write here a woman standing. Fine. A woman standing. This is number I am doing 6. Okay. A woman standing 48 meter away from a wall. Are you getting? Fires a gun. Calculate the time. In this question, a woman standing 48 meters away from a wall, okay, and fires a gun. So we have to calculate the time. Speed is given 320 meters per second. All right. Till now, any doubt you can ask me. Fine. So what is the formula? The same formula will be here. We know that V is equal to 2d by t. V for velocity. So time will be what? V into t is equal to 2d. So t is equal to 2d by v. Alright. So 2 into, what is the d given? 48. Great, 48 given. And what is the v given? Yeah, what is V given? V is how much? 320. Are you getting? So I'll write here 320. So please cancel this one. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 is 12, 0. This one 16 3s are 48, and it will be 10. So the answer is how much? 3 by 10. That means yeah. So the answer is 0.3 second. Yeah. Till now, any doubt you can ask me. Sure. Fine. So 0.3 second. This is the answer. Okay. 0.3 is answer. 0.3 second. See this one.
I cannot see. You have done zero.
Now
Oh,
you cannot see.
I have done two only three I can see by one.
Thank you everyone. So this is our answer. So please share and subscribe the YouTube channel. This questions I'm doing from Selena Publisher, ICSE Selena Publisher Physics. Thank you.